In October 2008, the Indian Space Research Organization launched the Chandrayaan-1 mission, whose main objective was to study the chemistry of Moon. Now, among its several achievements, one of the biggest achievement of Chandrayaan-1 mission was that it discovered the presence of water on the surface of the Moon. It's been more than 10 years since the launch of Chandrayaan-1 mission, and tomorrow on July 15th, ISRO is going to launch its second lunar exploration mission, whose name is the Chandrayaan-2. This mission will be launched by using the launching vehicle GSLV Mark III. The very first task of Chandrayaan-2 mission is to make a soft landing of lander and a rover in the high plane between two craters on the south pole of the Moon. And if it lands successfully, then it will be the very first lander to land on the south pole of the Moon, because no country has ever tried to land in this region because of the geography of this plane. Now you might be wondering, what are the main objectives of this Chandrayaan-2 mission? Let's find out. As I said before, Chandrayaan-2 will study the south pole of the Moon, and its main objective is to take up a detailed study on understanding the evolution and origin of the Moon. Now there are basically two things that this Chandrayaan mission will accomplish. The first one is that it will conduct the topographical studies, which is basically a survey to study the natural features of the lunar surface, or in simple words, the geography of the Moon, and that is really important. And the second most important thing is the mineral composition and the mineral structure analysis of the surface of the Moon. And this study will unfold the answer to our questions like, what is the Moon's surface made of? What are its main chemical compositions of the elements that are present on the Moon? So that's almost it about the India's Chandrayaan-2 mission, and I hope that you learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.